Stephen Hawking, who died on the birthday of Einstein, was born on the 300th death anniversary of Galileo. At the age of 22, he was diagnosed with a rare form of motor neuron disease. As he was preparing to marry his first wife Jane, doctors predicted he did not have long to live. They were married for 26 years and went on to have 3 children together. In 1995, he married his nurse Elaine Mason. Hawking's book, A Brief History of Time, became a bestseller, sold over 10 million copies. He lived in a wheelchair and used voice synthesizer to communicate, but his net worth was $20 million. He was 94% disabled but contributed immensely to the fields of cosmology, general relativity, and quantum gravity.